So guys, the AI cinematic video you just saw was created using CapCut PC's new Seedance 2.5 model, and honestly, I was really impressed with the result. Normally, when you create an AI video, you have to generate images separately, generate the video, and then bring everything into another editing software to put the final video together. But with CapCut Seedance 2.5, things are completely different. You can generate your AI videos, edit them directly on the same timeline, complete your entire project, and finally export the finished video, all in one place. So you can already see how useful CapCut Seedance 2.5 can be. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete CapCut Seedance 2.5 workflow practically, and I'll be trying it out myself as well, so make sure you watch till the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started and try out CapCut Seedance 2.5. So guys, to get started, simply download CapCut on your PC or laptop. You can find the direct download link for CapCut in the description and the pinned comment. Once you've downloaded it, simply open CapCut and create a new project. And just look at the UI, guys. It's super clean. If you've used CapCut before, you'll already be familiar with this interface. Now we're gonna generate our AI video using the latest Seedance 2.5 model. To do that, simply click on Generate. From here, you can create AI images, AI videos, and even AI dialogue sync. But today we're going to generate an AI video using the latest Seedance 2.5 model, and the best part is you can generate videos up to 30 seconds long in a single generation. So let's see how it works. I'm actually trying this for the first time myself, so I'm pretty excited to see what kind of result we get. Under the model section, you can see Seedance 2.5. Simply select this latest model. And now, under duration, you can see that we can generate a video up to 30 seconds long. Since I want to create a 30-second video, I'll select 30 seconds. Next, click on aspect ratio. You'll get multiple aspect ratio options, so simply choose whichever one you need. For this video, I'm going with 16:9. Now, at the top, you'll see the prompt section. Make sure your prompt is detailed enough. The more clearly you describe the scene, characters, camera movements, lighting, and overall style, the better the model can understand exactly what you want. I've already pasted my detailed prompt here. Once your prompt is ready, simply click Generate, and as soon as you click it, the video generation will start. Just keep in mind, the longer your video is, the more time it may take to generate. So if you're generating a 15 or 30-second video, just give it a little time. Alright guys, my video is ready, and honestly, even the first look is already looking really impressive. Let's play it and see what kind of cinematic fight scene Seedance 2.5 created for us. Wow, guys, this is literally mind-blowing. Just look at these visuals, the timing, the camera movement, and the overall cinematic quality. I honestly didn't expect it to turn out this good on my first try. And this is what you can create with Seedance 2.5. You can see that we've got a full 30-second cinematic video with impressive visuals and sound effects. So now you can understand how powerful Seedance 2.5 actually is. But we're not done yet. We've generated our AI video, but the really interesting part is that we can actually edit specific parts of the video directly inside the same timeline. For example, if something goes wrong in an AI generated video, normally you would have to regenerate the entire video to fix that particular part. But Seedance 2.5 works differently. Here you can select a specific scene and change only that part using AI without having to regenerate the entire video. For example, look at this explosion scene. I want to make this explosion much bigger and more intense. So instead of regenerating the entire video, video, I'll simply select this specific part of the timeline. As you can see, I've selected the exact scene I want to change. Now you'll find the AI edit option here. Simply click on it, then select the Seedance 2.5 model and enter a prompt describing exactly what you want to change. In my case, I want a much more massive explosion, so I'll simply enter my prompt here and click the arrow to generate it. Now, Seedance 2.5 will regenerate only this selected section, so you don't have to worry about changing the entire video. The size of the selected section determines how much of the video gets modified. Alright guys, the new version is ready, and wow, it actually looks even more intense than before. You can see the explosion is much bigger and more powerful, and this is how you can easily regenerate or modify any specific scene in your timeline without recreating the entire video. Honestly, I really like this feature. So now that we've generated and refined our AI video, let's move on to the editing part. The best thing is, we can do all of this directly on the same timeline. You can add effects, animations, transitions, color adjustments, text, and much more. For example, on the side, you'll find all the basic editing tools. You can adjust different settings, remove unwanted elements, use masks, and access all the editing tools you normally use in CapCut. So basically, you can generate your AI video and edit the entire thing without switching to another editing software. You can also adjust the colors of your footage, and if you click on animation, you'll find different animation options, including in, out, combos, and more. If you've used CapCut before, you already know how many editing tools are available here. You can also add text directly to your timeline. Simply drag and drop it onto the timeline and then customize it however you want. You'll get different text effects, templates, fonts, and customization options, so you can completely edit your AI generated video right here. You can also add effects, transitions, stickers, and other elements simply by dragging and dropping them onto your timeline. And of course, you have all the basic editing tools like splitting, cutting, trimming, and adjusting your clips. So once your AI video is generated, you can fully edit and polish it right here inside CapCut. And once your video is completely finished, you can export it directly from here as well. Simply click on export. You can choose your preferred resolution, including options up to 2K and 4K, depending on your project and available settings. Select your resolution, click export, and your final video will be exported. So now let me show you the final result. Alright guys, there you have it. This is the final cinematic video created using Seedance 2.5. As you can see, the result looks absolutely amazing. So if you also want to create cinematic AI videos and edit everything in one place, definitely give CapCut PC with Seedance 2.5 a try. You can find the link in the description. Click the link and check it out now.